How to use a crevice tool on a 3-in-1 stick vacuum. If you want these 3-in-1 stick vacuums like the Black Plus Decker, the Bissell Featherlight, or any other brand that looks like this, first thing is you want to remove the floor nozzle. Next, you want to make sure the crevice tool goes right into here, like this. You can actually use the crevice tool like this with this handle, or you can remove this handle and use it like this. Like that. And to put the floor nozzle back on, you pretty much remove the crevice tool. There's actually 2 ways to actually put the floor nozzle on. The first way is like this, or the second way, the much faster way, is pretty much like this. Like that. And that's how you pretty much use the crevice tool.